वज़ीर इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी KT रामाराव ने आज हैदराबाद में टी हब HYD के 7वें फाउंडेशन डे के मौके पर एक प्रोग्राम को मुखातिब किया। उन्होंने स्टार्टअप इकोसिस्टम के बारे में एक कीनोट एड्रेस डिलीवर किया। साथ ही इस मौके पर 26 प्रॉमिसिंग स्टार्टअप्स को अवार्ड्स दिए गए।
Siddharth from Celestia, please. As entrepreneurs, we all aim for growth, and this award is to recognize one such startup who has shown immense growth, leading them to raise 2 million in pre-series A. Our T-Hub startup itself, TurboHire. As a high-growth startup category, T-Hub 2022. A T-Hub startup, the world's #1 mobile first sales productivity platform. They are getting the bootstrap champ because they have raised their venture and turned out to be champions in marketing, making their revenue of 1 million to receive the bootstrap champ award.
Room for Go also to start working on something very similar to T-Hub. Likewise, we have had another 8 different Indian states who had come forward, who actually wanted to learn, understand how T-Hub was done by the government and how this actually can become an exemplar for their states as well. We've impacted more than 2,000 startups through various programs and initiatives, that is T-Hub alone, approached over 600 corporates for innovation programs, and have created a pool of more than 100 plus mentors who are tasked with nurturing the next generation of entrepreneurs. We're happy to share also that till date, more than $1.9 billion